This is exciting. Take a look here. When you see a case like this, it gotta be important. It's a kind of a case you would carry something wow. My one has arrived. Here we go. We have a 2-liter total volume single wall vessels designed for aerobic and anaerobic cultivations or fermentations. As you can see, I've chosen Rushton, but there are options for marine or pitch blade impellers, whatever suits your process need. Accurate and powerful RPM control from 1 to 1900 RPM. Ring sparger or sintered for microbubbling, gas control via thermal mass flow controller. And 4 Watson-Marlow pumps, application assignable from software. Hamilton pH and DO2 digital sensors. The Cube is a smart and ergonomic PLC-based control station. And then Leonardo. Software is the user's best friend in experimental design, planning and performing trial runs, as well as analyzing and optimizing media and parameters for cultivation. Leonardo's software license is included in the one supply and can be installed on client's PC, tablet, or smartphone. Wireless approach for an increased mobility. Users can roam around lab or reach the office without losing their connection with the running batch. Connectivity and data exchange are performed via inbuilt Wi-Fi system. Do it parallel. Smarter and faster process development, Leonardo can control up to 24 vessels simultaneously. No one like the one.